Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open your home store, in my case it's Play, then slide right to open all the functions and go to My Apps and Games. And here the first tab is Update, so here you will find all applications that need to be updated, so you can either update all of them or you can pick one particular application. So let me show you, for example Google Chrome, just click on Update, wait a couple of seconds until this update is downloaded and installed. So it may take up to 5 minutes, but it's going quite quickly. As you can see, we've got 20% already, so I believe it will be finished within 1 minute. And as you can see now, it's been installed, so it's almost finished of this operation. And that's it. As you can see, if you scroll down, don't want to update this one. If you will scroll down, you will see that you've just updated this application. Then if you would like to update all of them, simply click on Update All, and the process is just similar, so you just have to wait until it's automatically downloaded and then installed. So that's basically all. This is how you can update applications in your Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.